I know they not. I know Dollar Tree is. I know they playing with me. I hope you ready. I hope you ready. I so hope you ready for this haul, for this walkthrough. Please be ready. You know what? I forgot to warn you. I forgot. Sit down. Please sit down. I do not want you. I know they lying. I know they are lying. Check this out. You know how you laugh and then you just want to cry? That's how I feel today at Dollar Tree. Because this stuff is so good. You know, look at this. Honey, I had to like meditate on this one. This item right here that Dollar Tree has. You remember I said this several times in my video. You could go back. Dollar Tree has the Guru Nada. Okay, the mouthwash. Chill. You know, this is what does it for me because I don't even be in here really hardly for nothing too much, okay? But this coming home with me. Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. One of the messages I have for you today is this. Whatever is showing up in your life, it is not good or bad, okay? It is there to get your attention, to cause you to do something different. You know, a few years ago, I used to experience anxiety, okay? And I'm grateful for me experiencing that. Now, I know some people may be like, why? The reason I say that is because when I was experiencing that, it caused me to ask for something new. It caused me to ask for something different. It caused me to start studying, you know, reading books like The Magic of Thinking Big and Asking It Is Given. It caused me to start doing the work on myself. You know, oftentimes we think that everything is showing up in our lives because of someone else or something else. It is all because of what we are doing and our perception to things. So to the person that's out there, child, come on now, you rocking with me, Dina, that's gonna move your feet to the beat, okay? Now, you don't have to stay there, my love, okay? You don't have to stay there. Now, we are on our way, honey, if I could get this stuff together, okay? We are on our way. This is what happens when you say you're not buying anything and you go into Dollar Tree and you start buying stuff. We on our way to our second Dollar Tree of the day. All right, and I'm gonna bring the heat. You know, I bring the heat, and you gonna move your feet. All right, okay. And I love being able to inspire you guys, you know, and let you know it's gonna get better, my love. I can guarantee you it's going to get better. Why? Because you deserve better, and why? Because you're gonna do better. So let's go inside. Let's see what. All right, so I had showed you guys this in my previous video, these trays. Now, I had got a message from Google last night, you know, like the notifications and stuff. And it basically was saying, like, plates that are a designer, like Neiman Marcus, they sell these plates, right, shaped just like a leaf, and you get 4 plates for $125. Now, the item that Google had showed last night was these trays, and these trays, they are $1.25. You know how many trays you can get for $125, okay? All right. Now, I know these trays, these not the plates, and I don't even know if Dollar Tree sells the leaf plates. I only always seen the trays, okay? But, honey, fancy, pantsy, mancy. Dollar Tree also have some more trays over here. The Christmas tree, the snowflake, and then they also have, like, the Tootsie Roll tray. These are so cute. Now, Dollar Tree also have these new containers over here. Really cute. Gingerbread man, gingerbread woman, lady, okay? Merry and Bright. Really, really cute. These are $1.25, honey. Sometimes when you come to Dollar Tree, you don't know where you are, okay? You don't know if you went Michael's. You don't know if you went Home Depot. You just don't know these days. Okay, new item, bay leaves, one piece for $1.25. You see this, child? This glitter. Oh, Dollar Tree ain't playing with you folks. They also have the cobblestone. I had showed you guys the Christmas trees last time I was in here. These are $1.25. They also have some new Christmas stockings. All right, really, really cute, fancy pantsy. Gonna move your feet to the beat. Child, do you see this? These are aloe infused socks. Okay, one pack of these or one pair for $1.25. Child, when I tell you Dollar Tree is okay with me. Honey, not the stocking bags, okay? With the initials on there. Child, oh my goodness. And look at this. So I remember Dollar Tree had these for like $5. Now they have the mini ones. These are $1.25. And look at the houses, $1.25. All this decor, really, really cute. What about the decorative bowls? $1.25. Honey, when I tell you styling and profiling, move your feet to the beat. Treat bags, 15 pieces for $1.25. They also have the elves. Now, we had seen these last time. Honey, they ain't playing. What about gift tags? Okay, 18 pieces for $1.25. Chill. You know, Dollar Tree ain't playing with y'all. Now, just in case you have not caught yourself up yet, okay, my name is Tina. Now, listen, child, Dollar Tree also have these snowflake glasses. These are $1.25. They also have home for the holidays. These mugs, $1.25, and I really love these. This says love, peace, and joy. I know that's right. What about these placemats, okay, which are $1.25? Honey, wait, I got something better. New. What about these? Okay, you like these? Fancy pantsy mancy? These are $1.25. These are trays, okay? They also have it in red. They also have it in this silver. Fancy pantsy. What about these mason jars? Honey, you're not going to get a mason jar like this for no $1.25. Let me just tell you that. Okay, this is a still deal like Holyfield. Now, this is really the thing right now. These nail wraps at Dollar Tree. So 12 pieces for $1.25. They also have another design, 12 pieces for $1.25. Me personally, I don't really care for these, okay? Now, Dollar Tree also have these nails that are fancy pantsy mancy. Now, these nails that I currently have on, these are a Dollar Tree product, okay? $1.25. Really, really good. Now, I don't think that they have these, this length. Oh, they do have the length, but they don't have, these are cute, okay? I like the metallic look, okay? You see the transparency, like in this nail, all right? Really, really cute. But Dollar Tree also have these nails, 12 pieces for $1.25, and I absolutely like these. These are cute. I just wish they was a little shorter than, you know, what they currently are. Okay, honey, because I be on the struggle bus, all right? Now, they also have these nails right here. Now, I absolutely like these. This puts me in a mind of the nails that I currently have on. 12 pieces for $1.25. This is a still deal like Holyfield. Now, Dollar Tree still has these brightening pads, toner pads for $1.25 is dirty for $1.25. They also have the facial serum. Now, these things, I absolutely love these. These are biodegradable capsules. As 10 help skin appear brighter. Really, really good. I had purchased these the other day. I'm gonna put you guys up on something, okay? I'm gonna definitely put you on. You see how I got this glow? You want to know what I use? Amazon dude. This right here, is this the one? Because it's one for nighttime. So this right here, this, I don't think this is the one. But this, I think this is the, All right, wait. Helps reduce skin blemishes, congestion, and inflammation. Helps brighten skin tone by detoxifying. Now, I don't know. I know this is an Amazon dupe, but the one I have, it says retinol for night. Okay. If you see this in your Dollar Tree, honey, you better hurry up and grab it. Okay. Because you see how it's glowy, how I'm glowy, flowy. Okay. I'm glowy. Get there. Okay. Now, Dollar Tree also has this new nail clippers 2-piece. This is a good a gift stocker, okay, to put in a stocking. $1.25. You know, it's little things like this, okay? What about exfoliating gloves? Chow. What? You know, not for nothing, Dollar Tree. Y'all used to sell gloves like this. One glove for $1.25. Dollar Tree done got fancy on us. Okay, 2 pieces for $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield. This is the only color I think they have though, blue. Yeah. Alright, so this is a dupe compared to Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, $1.25. Dollar Tree had this before, but I guess they brought this back out. Okay, so they still have some of the Brazilian mist. These are $1.25. If you know, you know, honey, these are good. Okay, really, now, we talked about this. This is the dupe from De Janeiro, the one that they sell at Sephora, okay, $1.25. Now this, I had used this before. This product right here is good for the toilet, okay, and this is Lysol, $1.25. Dollar Tree also have these hair clips. I absolutely love these. Now, they brought them back in different colors, which I absolutely love. Really, really cute. So you get 4 clips for $1.25, and this just pretty much help you separate your hair. They also have the hairstyle and scissors, which comes in different colors. Really, really fancy pantsy. You know, I don't know if these are really, really good. You guys let me know in the comment section, because I never purchased these before. But honey, scissors like this ain't gonna go for no $1.25. Now, I'm gonna put you on game right quick, okay? You know how you've been buying these rubber bands, the snag free? These rubber bands are absolutely horrible. If you looking to put your hair in a ponytail, if you get these rubber bands, the ones that look like this, like plasticky, honey, I advise you not to get those. Just go ahead and get these, the elastic bands, all right? $600, and it's going to keep your ponytail. Your ponytail is not going to be oil. I put these things in my daughter here, who is 6 years old, Amani. When she came home from school, I didn't know what happened to her hair. Okay, the ponytails, they was not ponytailing. All right, these are really, really good. And for $1.25, the beauty supply store ain't gonna give you these $600 for $1.25. Dollar Tree also have this rotary cutter right here, and it is $1.25. I had showed you guys this last time, but chill, you know, sometimes I think I'm in Michael's. Now, these photo frames, these are so cute to me. They come in 3 different colors. They are $1.25, 4x6s. They come in a white, the black. They also have this greenish, bluish. Wait, hold on, child. They also have, oh, I showed y'all. They also have the gray as well. Absolutely cute. Really cute. Now, Dollar Tree also brought back the LED phone stand, and I remember I was gonna buy one of these, and my son was like, I was like, nah, I really don't need this, and I really didn't, okay, but this is cute. You know, nowadays I just prop my phone up on the table and have something holding it behind it, but LED phone stands, cute. They also have the LED moonlight over here, and I had seen these last time, but it seemed like they, you know, putting more out. Now, you guys had seen these last time. If you didn't, if you are new to my channel, my name is Dina. Honey, these are so fancy pantsy. Look at these. Really, really cute for $1.25. They also have this, I don't know what you call this. 1 second. Let me put my stuff down. Now, they have this box, this heart-shaped box. This is really, really cute. I had seen these last time I was in here, and they come in purple. They have like this green or blue. Okay, really, really cute. Last time I think they also had the white one, but I don't think they have any more of those. They sold out, child. Now, these Simply Kitchen mini mitts, I like these. You see how it has the rubber underneath? Absolutely steal deal for $1.25. Really, really good. Now, you're going to get one for $1.25, but altogether you paying like $2.40. Okay, because with the taxes and stuff like that. But this is a steal deal. Now, I had brought Dollar Tree oven mittens, and you know, some girls was saying that these oven mittens aren't good. And I said, you know what, let me just try it for myself. I tried it, honey. You know, that heat was going through that oven mitten. Okay, all right. So if you see the oven mitt with the rubber, those are much better than these. Child, Dollar Tree sale, boom, chicka pop. I know they sold the smaller bag, but this one, the white cheddar popcorn, $1.25. Child, you better hush your mouth all the way. Child, I did not know Dollar Tree sold White Castle mini bites. Look at you know, at this point, I'm just like, Dollar Tree, come on. Okay, family, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what was your favorite item. Mine's definitely was the Guru Nada, the travel size mouthwash. Now, although it was travel size, honey, that's good deal. Okay, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.